Hello everyone, my name is Anna Kochetkova and I'm head of consulting department at AppFollow.
My name is Denis Shelkov. I'm the AppFollow consulting team lead.
Hi everyone, my name is Vera Rakina and I'll be a lecturer on this course.
Hello everyone and thank you for joining us on this ASO course. My name is Ilya and I'm the head of ASO in AppFollow.
During this course, I will guide you through the main principles of the ASO and will tell you how to start invest your resources in this sphere. I hope you will find our course interesting and will apply the new knowledge you get here in your projects.
In this course with MoEngage, I will share my ASO expertise with you. I will talk about the differences between the App Store and Google Play, and I will also show you how to make the right text optimization for your app.
During this course, we'll talk a lot about how ratings and reviews are affecting your ASO metrics. I'll share some tips and tricks how to affect your KPIs by working with them properly, and provide some cases from our clients.
In this course, we will talk about how to measure ASO metrics and KPIs, how to define them, how to report these metrics to your manager, how to make like a monthly or quarter reporting, and how much money you earned for the company.
Let's talk about the ASO. See you soon.
Thank you and have a good day.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned and see you very soon.